Our first topic is introduction to the index. Now, when we talk about index, what is index? Index is a statistical indicator that measures the change in economy, which could be as a general indicator, or this could be any of the portion of that particular economy. So when we talk about stock market, index in stock market, when we talk about index in stock market, index represents a portfolio of securities that represent a particular market or particular portion. For example, if we talk about Indian stock market index, so we have Nifty or we have Sensex. When we talk about Indian stock market, we have Nifty and we have Sensex. So they are the overall indicators about the Indian stock market. And when we break, Nifty has its sub-indexes which represents IT. So Nifty has its sub-indexes which is particular for Nifty IT, Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto and other indices for particular sectors. So these are the index for sub portion, and this is the Nifty is a index for the overall market. And the same way we have all those corresponding indices, sub indices for Sensex. The significance of index is it is an indicator of performance for the overall market. As in, suppose an indicator has a value of 10,000 in previous year, and the current year this indicator has a value of 11,000. So we can say that over a period of 1 year, the index has grown by 10%. So when we talk about index as a overall market has been increased by that 10%, what does it mean? It means that the market capitalization of those companies have been increased. When the market cap is increased, that means the economy is growing. Whereas if I see that if previous year the index is 10,000 and the current year index is 9,000, that means economy is going down as compared to the previous year. When we say economy is going down, this is the situation as per the current scenario. If we talk about as a general, so that is why index is being used as a indicator for the overall, as a performance indicator for the market or any particular sector. Now this might be the overall situation, but if we talk about multiple sectors, say IT, bank and auto, maybe auto was down but bank was up and IT was up. So there could be numerous scenarios, and the major indicator is the combination of these sub indicators. So index, that is why index is very important, because it gives the performance of overall market. Next benefit, next significance is it serves as a benchmark for portfolio performances. Suppose we have number of portfolio managers who are giving us a return on their portfolio management. Suppose somebody is giving us 10% return or somebody is giving us 20% return. But these 10 and 20% are good or bad. This depends upon the overall performance of the indicator. Now suppose if we say that the index has given us overall 5% annual growth, but any portfolio manager has given us 7% return. That means the portfolio manager has given us more return as compared to the return given by the index. So that is why we can also use index as a benchmark for the portfolio performances. The next significance is index are used as a underlying assets for the financial application. Used as underlying for financial application of derivatives. That is for the OTC, over the counter trades, and exchange traded markets are based on indices as underlying assets. So when we talk about Nifty, which is Indian index, we have Nifty 50 futures, Nifty 50 options. These are the derivatives which are traded on India market. Both the underlying price for those derivatives are Nifty. The same way when we talk about Nifty IT, we have the same way when we talk about Bank Nifty, we have futures and options which are traded in Indian stock market, and both the underlyings for this is Bank Nifty, which is index for the banking sector of India. Thank you.